Okay. Last week was great. Um, I have a bullish bias for this week as I did like before. And the previous weekly candle close respecting the support and an engulfing. And when I look at the daily, we did break this resistance with that leg right there, and some here-ish. Let's see. Right. So yeah, I think that this is definitely has been broken. So I took buys Friday and I had to exit, of course, because I can't hold over the weekend. I definitely got to get a live account so I can. Because a lot of the trades I take on Friday actually do play out. But if with prop firms you can't hold, well, some of them, depending on the account. But yeah, I am going to, so it says waiting for support to form on the daily before buying. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the daily candle to create a bearish candle and then a bullish candle. And then after the bullish candle, I'll get in the next day. It's the same for GU. I'm just waiting for a fresh support to be formed. You see on the weekly candle, we closed bullish. It's not as nice and clean of a setup as EU, but it's, it definitely still broke this entire level right here. And we're maintaining the support level to the left. On gold, well, I mean, yeah, we're definitely bullish now. I know it took that much convincing. But yeah, because you broke all of this, which was definitely a structural lower high on the daily, even on the weekly. So if I see support form on the daily, sure, I'll take it. With AU, I still have a very bearish bias. Ain't no way this girl is bullish. So if support forms, if resistance forms on the daily, I'll sell. And for you, if UCAD form support, bearish bullish like this one, then I'll go ahead and buy. And I remember I took buys last week and it was so nice. They were so nice. I took UJ buys last week also, but I mean, I think I took profit, but only because I didn't let it play out till 1 to 3, only because I didn't have to, because I think I passed whatever I needed to pass. But yeah, for that bullish candle close on the daily candle, then I'll go ahead and buy. She is just moving sideways for right now. What it looks like this week she could pop. Yeah. And UCAD could be a really nice trade this week. What else? What else just formed something zesty? Let's say these two did-ish, right? And if we go to the monthly, then it makes sense because the monthlies right now, higher lows are being maintained. Right? You have this little notch right here, this little resistance level broken by these. And then ever since, it's just higher low, higher low. The monthly candle closes in 8 days, and this goes with the other pairs too. The monthly candle closes in 8 days, and if it doesn't close bearish, it's respecting the support, meaning the following monthly candle can be extremely bullish. And on the EMAs, we're already bullish. We have blue over red right now, so this could be the start of something new, something really bullish, right? I think so. I think that's what price could be doing right now. Let's see what the dollar looks like. I do have a bearish bias for the dollar, right? Because we had support formed. How real was that? Pretty legit. Yeah, it's sat on 38.2. And then break. Even the EMAs, we have red over blue, so bearish bias right now. And all the weekly looks like it's doing right now is just rejecting resistance again, right? So we had resistance formed here, resistance, and then with this candle, we rejected this candle. It looked like price could have continued bullish, but what it did, I remember thinking this, if the next weekly candle closes bearish, this is technically, I mean, I can't say technically it's a double top, but it is a nice lower high. A double top would be legit if this was a bearish trend, but it's not. But yeah, you see how the monthly on the monthly time frame, we never broke. And I think that that's probably going to be the case with these right here. But yeah, the trades I took last week, let's see. Actually, I could just look real quick. GBPJPY buys was one of my only. Oh yeah, I took buys after this candle on Tuesday on the 17th because of the previous daily candle closing like that, all nice and bullish. Must have taken it around here and then it got stopped out here. Now I remember, did I take that stop? Oh yeah, I did take the sell, but I only needed a 1-to-1 to go what I needed to get, so that worked out. And then I took EU buys on the 17th. Yeah. And I had a 1-to-2 EU buys on Tuesday. Oh yeah, that was such a smooth trade, bro. The way the 1 hour closed all nice and small and then shot up like that. That was a really nice trade. And then UCAD, I told y'all I was gonna take buys after the daily candle created support and then did. So Tuesday on Wednesday, right, the 18th, I waited for this daily candle to close, and then I came here on Wednesday. I remember staring at this right here, and I was like, bro, I want to buy so bad, but it's not even 8 o'clock. So I just waited until price came up some. I think I used probably the 30 or the 15-minute candle. I don't remember what I used, but yeah, my entry was somewhere around this level after 8 o'clock. And that was a nice one, as you can see. And then GU sells. Oh yeah, I took sells right after 8 o'clock candle close right here. And then let that fall down because the daily candle, like in my head, I guess we were bearish at the time still. That's what I really like about the strategies. You can be wrong about the trend, but if you still wait for that previous daily candle close, a lot of times it'll still play out if you don't hold too long. So this bearish candle close, I sold after here. So I was able to, profit from that. And then we have UJ buys on Wednesday. Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday closed like this. So Wednesday, I wanted to take some buys and I did. And right here. Around this level-ish, yeah. And then the last trade I took was EU buys. Oh yeah, and initially I lost it. Let's see what I did. Must have been right here. I must have taken that buy right here. Lost it and then bought after the 15-minute candle closed. Like this. Get away. Because I realized what was going on real quick. And I was like, oh no, I'm gonna buy again. Put a stop loss right there. Then if I was holding, I'd be nicely up right now. It's definitely inspiring me to get just my own separate live account so I can actually hold my trades and swing trade. Yeah, those are my trades for last week. Happy trading. There's no news right now, but tomorrow and the rest of the week is calling.